today we're going to open a new bright Hummer.
Yeah, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So let's take a look at it. So it already comes, this is by New Bright. It's the RL Trucks remote control GMC Hummer, white color. And this is real cool, everybody. It comes with batteries and a USB charge. So let's go and get this bad boy unboxed. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go tear it up. And this green part, everybody, this is the USB charger. You just plug it right in the wall. Does not need any batteries. Right, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
That's the USB part right here. And that's the part you just plug right in the wall.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get the remote control.
I might be able to.
And the batteries. The batteries right here. These batteries go into the remote control. Here's the remote control. Alright guys, that's everything. We're going to go ahead and put the batteries, charge it up, and then we're going to put this baby on the road. Right, buddy?
Yeah, but we don't need to charge it up, by the way.
Oh, we don't need to charge it?
No.
Okay.
If
Alright.
we put the batteries in it, it won't need no charging.
Okay. Alright guys, we'll be back.
Hey, buddy. You want to see me drive this bad boy?
Yep, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Drive it down there.